Hey beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. So on today's recipe I want to show you on how to make chicken samosa. Kindly watch this video to the end so that you won't miss any step. For this recipe you'll need about 250 grams of minced chicken. You're going to place that on a pan, then I'm going to add some little water so that the chicken can cook well on it. You'll then let the minced chicken to cook on a medium heat until it has whitened as shown in this video. After that you're going to add some salt to taste, then you're going to add some spices. Make sure you add spices of your choice. So I added paprika, garam masala and black pepper. After that you're going to give it a mix and let it simmer for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes of simmering, you're going to add some onions. I've used spring onions, but you can also add red onions. Then you're going to add some grated carrot. After that, you're going to give it a mix and let it simmer until the water dries up. At this point, you can also add some garlic and ginger if you want that freshness of it. So I added ginger, about a quarter teaspoon of ginger. Then I'm going to mix it well to combine. Lastly, you're going to add some coriander leaves for garnishing. Then I'm going to let it cook for about 1 minute. Then I'm going to remove it from the heat and let it cool completely. By the way, I have a recipe on how to make the samosa pockets, so I'll leave the link on the description box. Kindly check it before watching this video. Then you're going to fill in your samosa as shown in this video until all of them are done. You'll then fry in your samosa, deep fry them as shown in this video until they are nicely golden brown and crispy on the outside. And just like that, you'll have your chicken samosa ready. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to give me a like, comment and share with others so that they can learn to make their own samosas at home. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye bye.